Alright guys, yeah, when your tree's this bad, you probably need to get taken care of. It's pretty good. We already cut it over there, but you know, right over the house. But yeah, these are some big holes. The woodpeckers. Let's see if get me to come out. You guys in there? Come on. Alright, no one flew out. Due diligence here. Alright, got an update. Brought this guy down because listening here, I like to hear it. Little babies in there. So I don't want to disturb this hole anymore, but yep, so brought them down. So that's what we do when we find them. Just kind of bring it on down so we don't kill them off.